Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can assign ringtone to contact on your ASUS Zenfone 10. First of all, you have to click on the phone dialer in the left bottom corner, then go to the contacts on the right bottom corner and pick one of it, for example this one. Then click on the three dots in the right upper corner and tap to set the ringtone. Right now we can find list of default ringtones. And if you want to get custom, you have to click on the plus. You will be moved to this storage, then click on this place, open for example your Zenfone 10 storage, and if you upload any music, for example to the music folder, just open it. But you can also open for example your Google Drive. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.